My dear students, now we are going to study about question number 14. Following balances appeared in the books of Radhika Traders as on 1st April 2019. 1st April 2019. Okay. So first of all, I am going to write the journal entry. Beta, first of all, they giving, year 2017 April 1. Okay, 2017 April 1 we have to do it. For that, beta, basically you have to understand all the assets are debit side. Okay, as per the accounting rule, asset only given, you write to debit side, no problem. Purchasing of asset debit side, selling of asset credit side, isn't it? Okay, all the assets are debit side only, so that cash account debit side, isn't it? Cash account debit, cash account debit, amount क्या है 8,000. Bank account debit, bank also current asset only, all the assets are debit, the amount is 7,000. Then stock account debit, the amount is 30,000. Then which one bolo? Mohan account debit. Mohan is a debtor, it is a current asset, so that it is debit. Mohan account is 10,000. Then which account? So Soren account debit. Okay, debit, the amount is 12,000. Soren account. Then Dinesh account debit, all the assets are Dinesh is some debtor is some current asset means asset, so all the assets are debited, so debit side. What is the answer? That is 14,000. Okay, after that building account, building asset na fixed asset or non-current asset, so it is debited, isn't it? So building asset, so building account debit. Then which one? Building account debit. What is amount of building? That is 25,000. After that, the last one is furniture account, isn't it? Furniture account debit. Okay, account debit. Okay, what is the answer? The answer is 5,000. What is the total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The total is the balancing figure. Okay, then 2, beta, all the liability credit side, all the liabilities credit side. Liability 2x, creditor is a liability credit side, creditor is a liability credit side, isn't it? Creditor is a liability credit side. So 2x. What is the answer? Creditor value? The creditor value is 5,000, isn't it? The creditor value is 5,000. Then 2y is a creditor. Okay, creditor account, isn't it? Creditor. Okay, no problem, right in the bracket, no problem. Creditor. Okay, credit side. Okay, creditor. What is the amount? The amount is 6,000. Beta, you see, as per the rule, capital equal to asset minus liability, so that difference value is capital. 2 capital, big total minus small total. Okay, big total minus small total, so you have to add big total minus small total. The answer will come 1 lakh. The answer will come 1 lakh. Okay, so that you see, that is 1 lakh and total 1,11,000 minus 11,000 equal to 1 lakh. Check the answer. Okay, so total is 1 lakh. Okay, total is 1 lakh. So this debit side, this is a debit side total. Okay, this is a credit side value, credit side total. Okay, credit side only two value, no, 5,000 plus 6,000, 11,000. This all this 8,000, 7,000, 30,000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, 25,000, 5,000. These are adding, you get to 1 lakh and 10,000, 1 lakh and 11,000, 1 lakh and 11,000. 1 lakh and 11,000. So 1 lakh and 11,000 minus 11,000, 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. How do you get to 1 lakh? 1 lakh and 11,000 minus, okay, 1 lakh and 11,000 minus 11,000 equal to 1 lakh. Because capital equal to which one? Capital equal to asset minus liability. Okay, add all the assets. 8,000 plus 7,000, 15,000, 15,000, 45,000, 55,000, 55,000, 55,000, 65,000, 75,000, 75,000, 81,000, 81,000. Okay, that is right, only 1 lakh and 11,000, isn't it? Right? So, to capital, big total minus small total, that is 1 lakh, isn't it? So, first transaction over here. Okay, I am sending the video clip of this. Very carefully have to watch it. Okay, very carefully have to watch it. Then only you can understand. Okay.